Good day everybody. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of a true cloud system to small and medium businesses. Cloud systems bring a lot of benefits to the table for small and medium-sized businesses. The costing model on cloud systems are usually a subscription-based solution where you don't have to invest a huge sum of money upfront when you do purchase the software. You can scale your software as well, so you can start off with a single user and then you can gradually, as your business grows, you can scale up to more users and you only pay a fee per user per month. Some vendors do not charge a per user license fee. They do charge you based on the processing requirements of your system, which makes it even better for you as a growing company, where you only then pay for the additional processing power that you require, and you can have as many users as you like. Before I go further, I want to focus on the cost benefits specifically for a small medium business when they consider cloud solutions. So the first cost benefit that you will achieve when you go for a cloud system is the upfront capital expenditure on hardware is a lot less than when you implement an old legacy system. Your hardware costs are limited only to the devices that you connect to the internet and to the hosted file server, wherever that might be, in a SaaS environment or a private cloud environment. So from your existing laptop or your mobile device, you can just plug in and you can start processing straight away. The next big cost saving, and this is a cost saving that you are not always aware of initially when you do make your buying decision, and that is saving for your IT support and maintenance going forward. There's a lot of cost savings involved there, as you don't need someone now to look after your backups, upgrade or maintain your file server. You only need IT support maybe on the workstations and the devices that you connect to the internet. Another saving is also when you need to add new devices or laptops to the internet. In the past, when you had a file server and a legacy on-premises product, you had to first then configure the workstation or the device that it can connect to the file server on premises, and then install the legacy software on your device or your laptop. With the cloud software, it is really easy. You boot up your laptop, you go to your internet browser and you connect to the hosted server and you're ready to go. No costs, no time to set up workstations any longer. We had an instance now where a client's laptops were stolen during the holiday break. They've lost around about 20 laptops, and it took us quite a while to implement the software, all the operating systems and all the legacy software products on those devices that were stolen. And it's a huge cost for the client that they don't always factor in when they need to replace hardware after a burglary. Then we have benefits and savings in other areas of the business that are not necessarily monetary value savings. For instance, if a business needs to expand geographically, they need to open up new branches, it's really very fast and efficient to expand the business through the cloud. People can boot up their machine, connect to the internet straight away with a Wi-Fi or a 3G connection, and they can have access to the applications and the data. Another benefit of cloud is that processing speed is a lot faster. The reason for that is that we do not process the screen user interface across the internet like it used to be with legacy systems. Cloud solutions only transmit the data, so the data packets are a lot smaller, therefore you can process a lot faster. Integration with other modern day applications are a lot quicker and a lot more efficient, saving you time and saving you also the costs with the integration to other applications. You can also then share more information with new modern day technology, which is to the benefit of the clients, because you don't have to duplicate data from one system to another system. You basically just share the data. The implementation time of cloud software is also a lot less than that of a legacy product, insofar as we only implement on the file server. There's no need to implement on the workstations. There's no costly setup and operating systems that are clashing with the file server software. Another benefit is the ability to scale the amount of cloud services that is required from time to time by the client or by the small business. When you are still in the growing phase of your business, you might not need all the functionality and features, but as you grow, you would like to add more and more features. With cloud technology, it's a lot faster to allow you to access more and more features on the product. Then also, you don't have to worry about the backups being made any longer, as the software vendor will make the backups. You don't have to have a backup procedure in place on a daily basis. It will be done for you. Last point that is also very important is that your software is a lot safer in a proper software as a service environment than what it is on a on-premises file server. Reason for that is that the vendors of the software as a service providers, they protect their file servers with proper security, malware security software, as well as backups that are run on a continuous basis. When there is an attack, it is very fast and very efficient to roll back to your latest backup of your data. Thank you, everybody. That's all for today. Please go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and like our videos. Cheers.